Thundering engines and towering steel machines mark the dawn of a new era in forestry. Precision harvesters, capable of felling and processing trees in seconds, robust forwarders, the modern wood-cutting machines, showcase the efficiency of this innovation. Let's explore it right now. In the heart of a snowy forest, a modern logging harvester demonstrates the perfect harmony of power and precision. With its robust hydraulic arm and sharp cutting head, the machine effortlessly fells towering trees, handling each trunk with remarkable accuracy. This advanced piece of machinery is more than a tool, it's a game changer for the forestry. A powerful wood-cutting machine is at work, showcasing precision and efficiency in processing logs. The robust chainsaw blade effortlessly slices through the large timber, delivering clean cuts with speed and accuracy. The conveyor system ensures smooth handling of the log, guiding it perfectly into position for cutting. Designed for industrial-scale operations, this machine minimizes manual labor while maximizing productivity. Amidst the frozen landscape, the roar of a chainsaw breaks the silence as a logger skillfully fells a towering tree. With sharp, spinning teeth, the powerful machine cuts through the thick trunk with precision, showcasing its unmatched efficiency. Each calculated move by the operator demonstrates a mastery of the craft, while the chainsaw's robust design ensures safety and control. The simple method of chopping wood by hand involves using an axe to split logs into smaller pieces. First, the log is placed upright on a stable surface, such as a chopping block, to ensure balance. The person then grips the axe firmly with both hands and raises it overhead before bringing it down with controlled force onto the log. The key is to aim at the center of the wood grain, which helps the log split cleanly. The hydraulic wood splitter showcases raw power and precision. With a sharp splitting wedge and a sturdy frame, it effortlessly transforms thick logs into manageable pieces. The operator, equipped with gloves, ensures safety and control. It's a perfect blend of engineering and efficiency, turning a labor-intensive task into a smooth, satisfying process. Heavy-duty log splitter attached to a skid steer transforms a challenging task into an effortless process. The massive steel arms grip the log firmly, positioning it perfectly for the splitting force to be applied. With every movement, the machine exudes raw strength and precision, effortlessly handling the thick timber. Dust and wood fragments scatter as the hydraulic system delivers relentless force. It's incredible how simplicity can achieve such power. The wood splitter's ingenious lever design transforms mere effort into a force to be reckoned with. With a steady motion, the man drives the sharp wedge effortlessly through the wood, splitting it with precision, while the tire holds everything firmly in place. The spiral wood splitter commands attention with its raw power and precision. As the rotating drill sinks into the log, the wood yields effortlessly, splitting cleanly and sending fine chips scattering across the surface. Each motion feels deliberate, controlled, and efficient. The operator, clad in safety gear, handles the process with confidence, transforming a laborious task into a captivating display of engineering brilliance. It's truly astonishing to witness the precision of this homemade sawmill in action. With each smooth pass, the blade carves through the log, transforming raw timber into perfectly even planks. The vibrant yellow wheels and sturdy green frame embody both creativity and functionality. A masterpiece of mechanical ingenuity, this wood splitter blends raw power with precise engineering. The robust steel frame, driven by heavy-duty chains and a powerful motor, delivers unstoppable force as it drives the log into the sharp splitting wedge. With every crack and split, the machine demonstrates efficiency and control. Guided by the steady hands of the operator, the entire process feels seamless, a perfect fusion of human skill and mechanical strength. It's awe-inspiring to see this industrial wood splitter in action. The powerful red machine grips the log with precision, while the sharp blade slices through effortlessly, sending a cascade of wood chips flying. Every motion feels deliberate, every cut clean and efficient. The combination of raw power and precise engineering transforms an arduous task into a seamless performance of mechanical brilliance. Let's see the raw power and precision of this wood-splitting machine. The massive rotating blade, paired with a sturdy wedge, bites into the thick log with unstoppable force, splitting it cleanly and efficiently. The vibrant yellow of the fresh cut contrasts sharply with the rugged bark, a testament to the machine's precision. It's not just wood splitting, it's a masterclass in mechanical engineering at work. It's breathtaking to see this industrial sawmill in action, a massive circular blade slicing through timber with unstoppable precision. The sharp edge glides effortlessly, leaving behind a smooth, even cut while sawdust showers the ground like golden sand. The sheer power and accuracy of this machine turn a demanding task into an impressive display of engineering mastery. Every rotation feels purposeful, every slice flawless.